Every time you step into the kitchen, you're making a decision, not just about what to eat, but about how much of your food is truly being used. And whether you realize it or not, there's a mistake so widespread, so ingrained in the way we cook, that it's quietly draining your wallet, your time, and the potential of your meals. It's not the way you're seasoning. It's not overcooking. It's not even burning something to a crisp. No, this mistake is far more subtle, and that's what makes it dangerous. It happens before your food even hits the plate. Think about this. How often do you peel a vegetable, trim the ends off herbs, or toss scraps into the garbage without a second thought? That carrot peel, that garlic skin, those onion ends, they're gone before you even start cooking, right? But what if I told you that half of what you're throwing away could be transformed into something extraordinary? Take vegetable scraps, for example. They're packed with nutrients, flavor, and texture that could elevate your meals to something unforgettable. That broccoli stalk you discarded. It's tender and sweet when cooked right. Those onion skins. They hold a depth of flavor that chefs around the world swear by for the perfect broth. And those citrus peels. They're culinary gold, bursting with oils that can add brightness to dishes, desserts, and even drinks. The problem is, most of us have been taught to see these parts as trash. Recipes rarely tell you what to do with them, and food marketing has trained us to value perfect produce, ignoring the hidden treasures in what we call waste. But what you're throwing away is often more valuable than what you're keeping. Take this for example. Did you know potato peels can turn into the crispiest, most addictive snacks with just a drizzle of olive oil and some seasoning? Or that apple cores and citrus zest can infuse syrups, sauces, and teas with incredible flavor. It's all there, flavor, nutrients, and endless potential, if you're willing to rethink the way you approach cooking. This isn't just about saving money, either. It's about reconnecting with your food. When you start using every part of an ingredient, something incredible happens. You stop seeing food as a product, and start appreciating it as something alive, something with a story. That's the shift we need. We're living in a world where food waste is one of the biggest contributors to climate change, where millions go hungry while we toss edible scraps into the trash. And it's not because we don't care, it's because we don't know. So next time you're in the kitchen, stop before you throw something away. Look at it again. Can you roast it? Blend it? Turn it into a stock or a garnish? I guarantee you'll start seeing your ingredients in a whole new light. This isn't just cooking, it's a revolution. It's taking back control, rethinking waste, and turning what most people see as garbage into the best part of your meal. Because once you start seeing the potential in every part of your food, you'll never cook the same way again.